Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Chrome OS and FydeOS. Chrome OS and FydeOS may look similar, but they are built for different uses and offer different features. Chrome OS is developed by Google and comes pre-installed on Chromebooks. It's simple, fast and very secure. It supports web apps, Android apps from the Google Play Store and Linux apps. It gets regular updates directly from Google and includes strong security features like verified bot and a secure chip. Chrome OS is great for students, casual users, and anyone who lives mostly in the cloud using tools like Gmail, Google Docs, and YouTube. FydeOS is based on Chromium OS, the open source version of Chrome OS. It looks and works a lot like Chrome OS but with more flexibility. FydeOS supports Android apps, Linux apps, and even some Windows apps through third-party tools. It's designed for people who want more control or can access official Google services like users in China or those who want to install it on different hardware. However, it's not officially supported by Google and updates or app compatibility might not be as reliable. Overall, Chrome OS is better if you want a stable, secure, and officially supported system with access to the Play Store and regular updates. FydeOS is a good choice if you want a more flexible system and don't mind using a third-party OS. For most people, Chrome OS is a safer and more polished option. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.